Hey guys, this is my new wig. Her name is Jisoo. Everyone say hello. I'm gonna try to put these earrings in. I almost never wear earrings until I got these earrings from Piera Boutique. And I have to try to shove earrings into my holes that have not been entered for a long time. If you guys want to pick up these earrings, the link will be in the description box below. And yeah, we'll get started. So my face is already moisturized, all set and everything, and I'm not going to use primer today. I'm going to go straight into my foundation. So the foundation that I'm using today is this one, my new favorite Korean foundation from Sulwhasoo. I love this foundation because it makes me feel wealthy. It literally looks like my face is being photoshopped right now. Like, look at the difference. Bitch. I love this cushion. It just immediately brightens up the face. And as usual, guys, I'm taking my NARS concealer in Amande, though I hardly need it with this foundation. My lord. And they say money doesn't buy happiness. So I want this look to be really soft and pretty. For this look, I'm gonna be focusing on the skin, and I'm going to powder all the really shiny parts of my face because I don't want this look to be really shiny or anything. So my eyebrows are a hot mess right now. Pray for me. So when my eyebrows are really messy like this, what I like to do is draw a line right underneath. And already that gives it some structure and it makes it look cleaner. And then I'm going to take some concealer and conceal the top of the eyebrow and the bottom. And voila, magical eyebrow. Look at the difference. Wow. 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 So today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take this color right here and use this as my base. Then we're going to grab this pink color, this one right here, and use this as our main color on the lid. Then we're gonna go into this color right here, the darkest shade in the palette, and use this in the crease. So just to round everything out because it's all blank down here, I'm gonna be taking the same colors and just mirroring them underneath. So I'm starting with the transition color, and then we're gonna go into the pink and then use a little bit of the dark color as well. For my blush, I'm going to be using this from 3CE. This is in the color Rose Beige. And I just like this color because it adds a brightness to my face, but also a little wash of color as well. So now I'm just going to bronze up my face, bring back some of the contour to my cheeks. For my lip, I'm going to be combining two colors. So I'm going to start off with Explicit from 3CE. And then I'm gonna use this color from the Face Shop Trolls collection. This is in Cupcake Pink, and I'm using this side of it because it comes with two sides. And that's it for this makeup look, guys. I hope you liked it. I feel like a cute little rose. If you guys want me to do more makeup tutorials, because I haven't been doing them lately, so if you guys want me to do some more makeup tutorials, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.